Schedule a free design consultation, and the more you buy, the more you'll save on blinds, shades, shutters, and more from Budget Blinds. Visit budgetblinds.com today.
This is Newcap News with Bart Pediasic.
Good evening. Some exciting news when it comes to local healthcare to tell you about. The Prairie North Health Centre will soon have a new home. In addition to the 3 new doctors recently added to its clinic, patients will now have greater access to physician care as the health centre prepares to move to a new and improved facility next week. Aaron Bordato has more on the story.
And your blood pressure is great, it's 130/80.
Dr. Sharif Takla is one of the 3 new physicians added this month. His arrival is a result of the growth of the clinic as it prepares to relocate to its new home in the downtown Co-op Plaza.
All of 3 new doctors were accepting new patients, and we're moving to our new clinic, which will have a huge examination rooms and many of examination rooms and can hold many patients.
Starting next week, patients will have access to 7 different physicians, a registered nurse, and a primary healthcare counselor, which staff are hopeful will ultimately lead to a reduced patient load over at the Lloydminster Hospital.
Definitely this will help to reduce the load over the Lloydminster Hospital and also reduce the load for the patients that doesn't have a family doctor here in Lloydminster.
From 4 till 8 Monday through Thursday, the centre will also be offering a walk-in medical service as they aim to reduce wait time at the hospital's emergency room.
So after 4, it has been very crowded and the waiting time has been very long in the Lloydminster Hospital. So after we will open the after-hour clinic from 4 till 8, this will reduce the load of the patients over the Lloydminster emergency.
The new facility will open its doors on Monday, March 2nd. Aaron Bordato, Newcap News.
7 years ago, 2 grade 9 boys from Nova Scotia passed out pink t-shirts in order to stand up for a fellow classmate who was being bullied. Even though this bright pink tradition has become a symbol of Anti-Bullying Day, bullying still happens all year round. Katie Hudson has more on what local students are doing to stop bullying in the community.
I've kind of thought that if I said mean things to them, maybe they might change.
Tyla Wolf is a high school student who knows the effects of bullying all too well.
I used to bully when I was in the younger grades myself. Around middle school, I had realized probably about grade 8 that I was doing something really wrong. I had noticed there was a huge impact on that person's life.
That's why Tyla began mentoring younger children about bullying when she was in grade 10. Through the Red Cross Beyond the Hurt program.
We go around doing presentations to younger students, informing them of bullying and ways to stop bullying.
Schools have been using the program for about 3 years now, which consists of a few hours of training for students as well as adults.
Awareness that it happens, labeling it, naming it, defining what kinds of bullying exists, absolutely that educative piece so that people know when it's bullying.
And hopefully through reaching out to younger students, knowledge becomes power.
You can just walk away from the situation or don't really bully in the first place. And if somebody does something to you, don't do it back.
This is the advice Tyla works to pass on, remembering to reach out to not only those being bullied, but the bullies too.
I had realized it was me, and I didn't want to be the reason someone else was sad anymore. I've definitely tried to change, and I feel like this is a very good step in the right direction.
Katie Hudson, Newcap News.